Hi friends, welcome to Learning Center. Friends, as we know that the nervous system is made up of the nerve web, where the functional and the structural unit of the nervous system is a neuron. What is more surprising is two neurons are physically never connected with each other. There is always the gap between two neurons, and still the conduction of the nerve impulse pass very well through that gap. This gap is called synaptic cleft. Today, let us try to understand how a nerve impulse will travel through that synaptic cleft. As you can see over here, this is the axon of the first neuron. This is the dendrite of the next neuron, and in between there is no connection. This is called synapse. Synapse is made up of presynaptic membrane, postsynaptic membrane, and the gap in between is called the synaptic cleft. Friends, as you know, during the conduction of the nerve impulse, it is actually the subsequent action of action potential and resting potential where the major role is played by the sodium ion. Here if you can see, the sodium ions are creating that impulse. But when that impulse reaches to the presynaptic membrane, that is where the calcium ions which are present in the synaptic cleft, they are absorbed instead of the sodium ion. Now let us see what happens when the calcium ion are absorbed. Once the calcium ion are absorbed, they attract these vesicles which are filled with the neurotransmitter towards the membrane. Once this vesicle reaches to the membrane, they burst and release the neurotransmitter in the synaptic cleft. It is this neurotransmitter that will bind with the postsynaptic membrane and will create a new impulse there, which then will propagate in the next neuron in the simple normal way. This is how the impulse jump the synaptic cleft. Easy, isn't it? Real learning happens at Learning Center. Thank you very much.